Now time to eat, to an Italian dish with a citrus twist.
We always have a big appetite here. That's what's cooking tonight as we grab a bite with Belkys.
The chef, Giorgio Rapicavoli, serving up Italian cuisine at Luca Osteria in Coral Gables.
So Luca Osteria is an Italian restaurant, I would say, at heart. Some of the recipes are incredibly traditional and some are the complete opposite of tradition. These are flavors really of my youth and my upbringing. Come in, have quality food, well prepared. You know, we really respect the ingredients, have fun cocktails.
Luca Osteria is in Coral Gables, Giralda Plaza, and it's a tribute to Chef Giorgio's Italian roots. They serve up both traditional and modern Italian recipes, with many coming from his own family members, or the chef himself, like the dish we're making today, pasta al limone. Chef Giorgio starts by making the sauce.
So we'll start off with a little bit of butter.
Add some lemon zest in with the butter, then let the butter melt and pour in some heavy cream and add salt.
So once this comes up to a boil, we're gonna allow it to boil for maybe like 30 seconds.
Once the sauce boils, take it off the heat and let it sit while you make your pasta. Chef Giorgio uses a fresh pasta made in-house.
This pasta shape is called mafaldi or mafaldine.
Chef says any kind of pasta will work well with this dish, so buy your favorite. And when the pasta is ready, add it to the sauce.
Add our pasta with some of that residual water.
Stir everything well and let it cook for 20 to 30 seconds before adding lemon juice and butter. Mix it again and you're ready to serve. Garnish with Parmesan cheese and lemon zest.
Welcome to Luca Osteria. This is our pasta al limone. We hope you enjoy.
Here's your chance to recreate your own version of pasta al limone. Grab your phone and scan that QR code. You see it right there. It's on your screen, and it will take you right to the recipe.
I'm with Lynn. I'd rather just go there and, as she said, shove it down my throat. It looks so good. Stop by Luca Osteria during Coral Gables Sip and Savor in the Gables event. The participating restaurants are offering specials from now until the end of the month. If you want more information on that, it's on our website. Live in the Newsplex, I'm Belkys. Buon appetito.